Hey guys, this is Logan Kamak, and in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to access your Webster Parish provided email. Now, every student in the parish from preschool all the way through seniors in high school have an email address that was issued to them by the parish, okay? That is the same information that you use to log into your Chromebooks, log on to Google Classroom, okay? Same username, same password. Now, email is so important that you know how to not only send them, but receive the emails, check them regularly. This is the most used form of communication, the most official form of communication between teacher and students, and the school and students, and the parish and students even, okay? So first of all, the student needs to know how to work their email address. And I would suggest, as a parent of a Webster Parish student, that you know how to log into your student's email account to stay on top of it, okay? So I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. We use Gmail. So if you use Gmail in your personal life, this is going to be a breeze for you. So let me show you step by step. I'm going to open a new tab. I have Gmail already saved right here, but I'll go ahead and just type it in, gmail.com. Now, I purposely log myself out, and I'm going to show you based on my daughter's email account. She's a Webster Parish student. I'm going to click on her, pulls up Lindley. You can see right here, sometimes you may have to type it in, but it's just your email address that you log into any other Google related account with, okay? So STU dot, the first six of her first name, middle initial, dot, the first six of her last name at websterpsb.org. It's very important when using Gmail that you put at websterpsb.org, okay? So then we enter her password. I'm going to put her password in real quick. Okay, I hit next. And I'm into her account, okay? So here you can see her teacher, Miss Heather Stewart's posted a lot of assignments. This shows me every time her teacher posts an assignment. Now, Lindley's in preschool, so she's not going to be getting, emails telling her that something's coming due or anything like that, or direct communication with the teacher. But when you're dealing with high school level, even junior high level, your teachers are going to be sending out information all the time about things that are happening around the school or things that are happening in the classroom, okay? So it's very important that you know how to check this and you check it regularly. Another thing I wanted to tell y'all real quick, I didn't realize kind of how illiterate the current generation was with sending emails, okay? And, when you think about it, most kids today, they text, they Snapchat, whatever, but they don't know how to send a formal email. So let me explain and show you how to do that real quick. So I'm currently on my daughter's account, and I'm going to send a email to myself from her account, okay? So I'm a student, and let's say I'm emailing my teacher. I'm going to hit compose right here, okay? I'm going to put I'm just going to start typing my name, and since we're both in the same system, should just go ahead and pull it right on up. There I am right there, Logan Kamak. I'm just going to put, hey, Dad. Okay, so in the subject line, you don't want to type the whole message, okay? One thing that I've realized a lot of high schoolers or teenagers do is they'll just type the whole message in here, and it gets really annoying. This is the subject line, okay? This is just something, you're just trying to let them know what's happening. You don't want to type the whole message in there. I'm going to write, hey, Daddy there. You would type your message here, okay? Use correct grammar, use all that kind of stuff. You got to learn how to do this because I don't care what industry you're in. You're going to be sending emails in some capacity when you get in the professional world. Thanks, blah, blah, blah. And then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to hit send, and that email is sent, okay? Another thing I'd like to show you on here is if there's any emails that you want to save and you maybe that this is an email that you want to keep on file for whatever reason, you can hit this star right here and it will save whatever emails you star, okay? So I'm going to go back over here to starred, and you can see all those emails I starred are now organized in that way. Another thing I would suggest doing, and I do this personally, you have a Gmail app. So if you go to the App Store on whatever device you're using and you download the Gmail app, you can't really see it on here. It's there in the corner. Yeah, there we go. So if you download that Gmail app, you can log in as your student and get notifications on your phone. Like you just heard my phone beep. That was because I just received an email. So as a parent, I would suggest setting up your student's email on the Gmail app on your phone, okay? Even if you already use Gmail, you can put multiple accounts on there. You can see right there, I have me, myself, and my daughter on there, okay? So if your student is emailed from your teacher, maybe they missed an assignment or maybe they have makeup coming up, you can download this app and you can see it in real time. So I hope that was helpful for y'all, both students and parents. Be sure you check your email. It is so important, especially in this day and age. We're not calling the house as much, and we're not sending things in the paper mail so much. Email is our mode of communication. So you've got to get this down. And I hope y'all have a great day. Y'all can always email me at logan.camac@websterpsb.org if you have any questions. And y'all have a great day.